I grew up around Brick Lane, right in the heart of London's Bangladeshi community. This is what shaped my love for food and culture. Our family life was always centred on sharing good food with family and friends. So much so that years later, when I established my own family with Mark, we decided to make traditional healthy cooking accessible to everyone. And so we formed Bang Curry and developed a range of curry kit products.
Bang Curry's first commercial sale was in 2014. Since then, we've gone from market testing a simple idea to becoming an established brand. With a 600% increase in revenue since our first investment raise in 2019. This year, we won the prestigious Best Innovative Curry Kit Award. Our range is inspired by different regions of Bangladesh, so anyone can chop, grate and stir their way to bolder, brighter meals in just 3 simple steps. No need for jar sauces or ordering a takeaway. We are singularly placed to be leaders in this industry. Since our inception, we've seen our products stocked in retailers across the country. Most notably, Holland & Barrett online, Whole Foods Market and Amazon in the UK, and more recently across Europe. And this is just the start, as we look towards expanding our retail and online offering with further investment.
We're at the forefront of a new market for food-conscious people who like to know what ingredients go into their food. We offer a convenient product where all the hard work of blending the perfect spice recipe is done for you. We're all about authentic cooking, no cheating, no processed foods, and you can recognise all the ingredients in our food. We aim to be as inclusive as possible. All our products are vegan-friendly, gluten-free and 100% natural.
The UK world cuisine market is worth over £2 billion. Over the last 2 years, Mintel has reported that within this market, sales of accompaniments and ingredients has dominated growth, with nearly a 28% rise between 2019 and 2020. 62% of world cuisine consumers report being interested in more meal kits, utilising their improved cooking skills. 70% of world cuisine eaters saying a wider range of healthier options would encourage them to eat these meals more often. To date, over 200,000 of our products have been enjoyed around the UK, and more recently abroad, in countries such as Spain, Italy, France and Germany. Looking to the future, we plan on expanding our range and opening the company up to taste from around the world.
Our previous campaign raised over 180% of our original target. This campaign presents a fresh new opportunity to join our community of investors. We pack a punch in everything we do, and we plan to scale up our business and increase our sales, making sure we reach all the home cooks who are craving that feel-good spark in their cupboard.
It's a fantastic product. We tried it before we invested and we loved it. It was very authentic and it reminded me of the flavours of my mother's cooking, and so easy to use. They're doing great things with the company. They've made great progress over the last 2 years.
I know that it's gluten-free, so I can just rustle something out really quickly and easily, and it's always going to be a really yummy, tasty meal.
They're super simple and straightforward, but they just take all of the complications around playing with different spices. They just make a really easy ingredient to just add to your daily routine and enjoy, and they're super healthy.
We don't want to get a takeaway all the time. This stuff tastes as good, and we know it does good stuff, nice and healthy. Love it.
Help us on our mission to make every meal go off with a bang.